Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create collage animation in Canva. So, create a new design and upload your photos. For me, I will choose just in elements. Choose your first photo like this and resize it and go to edit and magic grab. Select the place that you want to grab. After click on grab and go to text, write like hiking and choose your favorite font and resize it, change the color and the effects also. Choose a red color, make it between the layers, click right and show layers and move the text between the layers and make it on bottom of the page. Duplicate the page and zoom out the page and resize the images fit with the page and the text also. Select the text and resize it, make it bigger and open a new page. Select another photo like this and make it fit with the page and go to edit and grab it also. Grab the plane and go to text, write like travel, choose white color and another font like impact, choose an effect like lift effect and move it to the top. Duplicate the page. Now resize the plane and choose the text and resize it and move it to the bottom of the page. Go to position and make the text between the plane and the photo. Add another photo. I will select this photo. Add another photo. Remove the background and go to edit and go to background remover and restore the bottom. Resize the brush. Then go to text, add a word like swimming, choose another font like Anton font and choose any effect like this. Change the color like this and the effect color also. And go to position make the text between the photo and choose the photos, move them to the bottom for a little bit and this also the text and go and duplicate the page and select the text, resize it and move it to the top of the page. Move the photos to the top a little bit and this also. Then go to transition, select match and move and increase the duration. And here also make the same setting, and this part also, and between the different page select any transition. I will select like slide transition, then the second part also. Then go to duration, decrease the time to 2 seconds, apply to the all pages. Then thank you for watching this video and subscribe in my channel.